Hello everyone, we are here at Euro Business Cup 2025 for the last 16 matches, and next to me I have Plemen from Team Tech Maritsa. Congratulations first, you won a wonderful match, and now that you are going on the next step, and what was the main factor for your win in this match?
И каква е главната причина за днескашната ни победа?
Главната причина е целият отбор. Играхме наистина като отбор, като колектив. Момчетата се раздаваха много и затова спечелихме.
The main reason is we was together. We play very hard, very difficult game, all together, all for everybody from the team, and we win.
Okay, and what is your plan for the next match? What are you going to do on the next match?
За следващия матч играхме срещу този съперник, загубихме. Сега се надяваме да спечелим, да играем по същия начин, без грешки и да спечелим.
We played against this team. We lose 2-0. We hope we don't make the same mistake and score more goals and win.
Okay, thank you very much for your time, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates.